Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on read on direct messages on TikTok. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our profile. That's by selecting the icon in our bottom right corner that says profile. Next, we're going to select the three stripes in our top right corner. And from these three options, we're going to select the last one, settings and privacy. Here we're going to select the second option we have, right below account that says privacy. And now in the interaction section, as you can see, the third option we have is direct messages. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. As you can see, our read status is currently off. So we want to turn it on. We're just going to turn it on by tapping on it. As you can see, here's the description. People can see when you have read their message. They will know when you read their messages only when both of you turn this on. So if you have this on and someone has it off, they can't see when you read their messages and vice versa. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!